Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Venu 3 watch to your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is on and you have downloaded the Garmin Connect app. Power on your Venu 3 and choose your language. Then, open the app, sign in or create an account, and begin the device pairing process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once you've initiated the pairing, the Garmin Connect app will display a unique 6-digit code. Verify this code matches the one shown on your Venu 3 watch. After confirmation, you'll be prompted to grant essential permissions, such as for notifications and location services. Take a moment to personalize your watch settings and user profile directly within the app for a tailored experience. Your Garmin Venu 3 is designed to automatically sync all your health and fitness data to your iPhone via Bluetooth. If you ever need to manually update, simply pull down on the My Day screen within the Garmin Connect app. This allows you to instantly review your activity, sleep patterns, and various health metrics. For consistent updates, ensure the app remains active in the background. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your Garmin Venu 3 and iPhone often resolves the problem. Always check for the latest software updates for both the Garmin Connect app and your watch, as these can fix bugs. If problems persist, try forgetting the device in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and then repairing it. Remember to keep your watch and phone close during the initial setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.